Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this retro zoom velocity edit in the CapCut mobile. So if you guys didn't know, there is a auto velocity that you can easily use to edit the velocity edit. So what you need to do first is add your video and also the music that you want into CapCut like this. And after that, let's click on the video, go to style, then here click on the velocity tab, and you'll easily spot the retro zoom velocity. So just click on this and CapCut will first detecting the music, and after that it will apply the velocity edit. So to do this, to use this feature, you need to add both video and music first, because if you don't add the music, it won't be it can be done. So until it applies, just wait until finish. Okay, so this is the retro zoom velocity. If you want to adjust it more, you can just click on adjust, and you can here adjust the bit frequency and also the speed. But this will be the result. So that's how you can easily do the retro zoom velocity edit in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye!